Eh, si Ninyo, inuna pa yung live eh.
What's the phone's watching?
Yeah, it is.
Andrew. To bring easy layup for Gimata. Denzel. Russell foul on Aaron, number 24. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands in the air and wiggle like you just don't care. Denzel for 2 shot. Pasok. Chamba. Walang yakap. Reminder lang guys, hindi po namin na-record yung game. Tinabort yung phone. Hindi na yan. Ay,
Kasalanan yan.
Andrew! Hindi kay Aaron, na-steal ni Bush. Ay, Denzel, nagmamadali! Using his right hand. What a layup from Denzel Castro. Nice layup by Denzel. Mark. Good cut by Andrew. Quintes. Rebound sa rin shot. Follow up. That's all. Score po natin 35-33. Time remaining exactly 8 minutes and 18 seconds. Boss Jerry. Sumubok ng 3. God bless. Rebound by Bombase. Mr. Bombase. Ma. To my friend. To Andrew. Foul number 19. Jerry Abelgas. 2 shot for Andrew. Unang shot, pasok. Dalawang po lang isang puntos ang RA Battalions. Second shot. Pasok ulit. 2 out of 2. Oh, Andrew. Gingging. Hero the babae, Gingging. Aring Gingging. Binigay kay Japs. Hustle by Mark. Na-steal ang bola ni Mark si Japs. Aaron. Foul from number 16. Push from behind. That's the third foul on number 16. I remember Kate. Inbound by Mateo. Anak po ni Andrew. To Aaron. Pull up. Yes, Mateo. Who's foul, Red? Foul on number 20, Andrew. Holding foul by Andrew. Hey guys, be careful, huh? Jack. Good ball. Out of bounds. 9 seconds remaining on the shot clock. 8, 7, and 1. Ryan Castro. I hate that guy. Who's foul, rep? Bonus shot for Castro. Huwag na bigyan ng shit yan, boss Jeff. Denzel, wala. Rebound by Andrew. Gimataw. Ay! Ano po? Score 39-37. 42 seconds on the shot clock. 17. 14. Still by Jerry. Anybody? 90 seconds. 15. Mike! Mike, 24 shot lang ulit dahil nahawakan, di ba? Hindi, pag nahawakan naman natin. 19 seconds. Oh, reset. No? Hindi na possession naman. I got you. Yes. Luman. Luman now. Aso by Robbie. Luman. 15 seconds. 12. 10. Castro nagmamadali. Kaso, easy shot and Castro. Gonna reset, yeah, I gotcha. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 12. 9. 7. 5. New 24 shot lang. 14. Okay. 40 seconds. Takes Mike to this guiding. 40 seconds. Now, Mike, come in. 40 seconds na daw pag possession. Please, reset the possession.
Hindi, kung papapunta pag nag-change yung possession.
Ayun nga, pag nakuha na ng possession.
Hindi naman, tabi ka lang naman yun eh.
Oo, pero pag napossession na ng kalaban, reset the possession.
May control tayo.
Tapos,
Wala po ko yung top eh.
continuation lang.
Continuous sa continuation.
Pero pag pinaw, 40 seconds.
Pag may foul na 60,
Less
40
than.
40, pag less than 40,
Bakit tayo?
Pero pag 16, 18,
Saka pagkain yung boses mo, sa tayo.
Tado. Guys, reminder lang po sa mga players, bawal magreklamo, may dalawang security guard tayo doon, may dalawang salamin. Shoutout po doon sa dalawang nakasunglasses natin sa security guard. Ayun o, yung mga bouncer natin. Picturein mo nga, Mr. Photographer. Kung may reklamo kayo, kumanda kayo sa dalawang bouncer namin. Ayun, nakaupo, chilling lang. Just chilling and relax. Shoutout mga boss. Thanks for coming. Sorry po, medyo sunny kaya nakasunglasses sila. Picturein mo nga po. 14 seconds po tayo sa shot clock. Last 2 minutes po. Stop clock na po tayo. 39 and 41 in favor of Ihab. 14 seconds po tayo. 12 seconds. 10. 8. 6. 5. 4. 3.
3 seconds is bad.
This is Mike. This is time 40 seconds. Mike. Okay, yep. I got you. 14 seconds. Sulit tayo. For shot clock. 14 seconds. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Denzel. Nagmamadali naman. Foul on Denzel. Foul on Rock Pugh, my partner.
Sa kapag out of bounds lang, natapos.
Continue lang. Every din ang ilusog dyan. Pero kung yung ibang team, 24 shot ba? First shot is good. Ganun po ng 3 points. the shots. No good. Rebound by Par. My Par. Justin, the lover boy. Gimata. My Pare. Uy! Harper, pull up is good. 41-44, last 1 minute. 20 seconds. 17, 15, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Yan, 40 seconds ulit. Bouncer! Yung dalawang bouncer natin, umawat kayo, mga bouncer natin, umawat kayo. Players, please calm down. Guys, please calm down. Yung mga bouncer po natin, calm down po tayo. Refs, please control the game, mga referee. I'll take them sir, now. Calm down po tayo, mga boss. Rob, are you in or out? Kasama kang tulog ka, di ba? First shot is good. Seconds. Justin for 3. Rebound. What's that? Jump ball! Decision by the referees, jump ball. Mike, reset ba yan? Reset. Mike, reset the shot clock. 14. Okay. Mike! Pag-duty bola, 40 seconds for reset. Pero pag-duty bola, 24. Okay. Pag-duty bola, 40 seconds. Picture mo kami niya. I think jump ball lang natin para mas maganda. We'll wait for the referee's decision, everyone. Sa ngayon po muna ay mag-exercise muna tayo. A performance by Wolf. Ang-tiktok po yan mamaya. Guys! Tikman po natin yung pares sa labas. Pares. Tita Dogs Place. Masarap, masarap. Means, I want to congratulate the graduating for this year 2024. From year 7 to year 12, well done and congratulations. And to your graduation, you graduated. Good luck to the next chapter. Keep it up, boys, and we will see you next season. Yung mga referee lang po natin ang nag-graduate dito. Lahat nag-graduate. It's a very intense game. 4 points na po alaman ng Iha. 0.8 seconds dito sa last quarter.
Last
14. Pag dito yung bola, pag to 24 shot lang. Thank you guys.
Technical, bakit ang boses?
Ninyo, ito number 29 mo referee ha. Sabihin mo. Pinpoints lang po yan. Kahit sino po pinpoint ang manalo dyan. Pero ang maganda po ng laban. Every time na naglaban, kalaban ko na lang ito. It's always a good thing. Si Bubase, nangasar pa. Same ball. We have 14 seconds on the shot clock. Are able to not goal. Harper. 12 seconds. 11. Ayan. Naglapan. Okay. 17 seconds, huh? Ay, sorry. 19 seconds pala, sorry. 90 seconds on the shot clock.
Sino ba ano?
Sino ulit? Yung RA. Ay, penalty pa yan. 2 shot for Jax. First shot is no good. Congratulations, Iha. Lahat po ng second to beat na nanalo. Stop na natin to? Okay, kisa na.